Hi guys, welcome back to part 3. Sorry that is so aggressive. Be like that.
Yeah, because of someone just let me just get again. Guys, it smells so nice this one.
YouTube.
Guys, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to get likes because basically my feelings have more than. And guys, if I get over 1,000 likes, I will download TikTok.
You're welcome, girl. You can just move the ball.
Thank you,
Just move
thank
the ball
you.
around.
Come on, never mind, it's fine. Guys, I found my ring.
I found the ring. Mama found it in one. So she left it in the drawer. I found it in the drawer. Lizzie, don't do that. You can say it on internet. And you can't say it on internet. That's why Buddha said I mustn't post, Mama, but I can't delete it now.
Whatever, just guys,
Okay, yes, fun for you.
don't smell so nice. Why are you gonna do our so
Yeah, I'm just seeing that.
in another video? So yeah.
In part
I actually
4.
guys, my friend might with us. I do what I go to other gold. I'm gonna give to you my precious tips.
You wanna come again?
Guys, where's Laura's photo?
It's in the room there.
We're
not.
Yes, we're gonna clean up.
Oh,
Okay,
wait,
guys.
let's just like all the lips. And let's just what we're still going to put on our lips, guys. But it's so slippery.
Guys, it looks like I'm brushing nothing, but I'm brushing a part of my hair.
Yeah, come, let's go see.
Tomorrow we can twin, maybe.
Maybe we can match tomorrow.
Maybe if we have same hair. It doesn't need to be exactly same, but
Okay,
maybe same color.
Yeah.
You
have all in one.
All in one. No. See? Look, guys.
You want
she's so cute. Check. Yeah. Mwah. She love you guys.
But let's also just put up the doors. Finishing touch. You wanna play on your phone?
Yes.
Okay, even me and you.
No.
And
I'm getting a phone too.
Azra, you're not getting a phone call.